discussed one problem asked in GATE 2020 exam related to tachometry. Here given a theolite was set up at station P. The angle of depression to a vein 2 meter above the foot. Means here directly vein reading is given, which is 2 meter from the ground above the foot of a staff held at another station Q. Means here first we have to draw a diagram. See here what is here it is given that theolite is set up at station P. Here is a theolite. Okay, and the angle of depression is given. So this is our horizontal angle. This is our line of sight, and to this line of sight, staff is held at another station Q. Suppose this is station Q, this station Q, and it is given that there is an angle of depression. There is an angle of depression of 45 degree. Okay, so the station Q, there is a vein. There is, suppose it is vein and it is at a distance of 2 meter. This vein is at a distance of 2 meter from the ground. That is from the point Q, and angle to this vein is angle of depression, that is making the angle of 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Okay, and then it is given that the horizontal distance between these two stations P and Q, this is station P and this is station Q, and horizontal distance between these two stations is given. This distance between these two stations is horizontal distance between these two stations is 20 meter. The staff reading at a benchmark S, there is a one here, some point S. At that point, there is a one point S whose RL of this point is given, that is 433.050 meter, and there is a staff kept at this point S whose RL is 433.050 meter, and staff reading at point S is given as, this reading is 2.905. The staff reading at this point S is 2.905 meter, and it is given neglecting the error due to curvature refraction. What is the RL of station Q? We have to determine the RL of station Q. So this is a very simple problem. Once you draw the diagram, many things are get clear. Here, what point of known RL is given as S, whose RL is given 433.050 plus staff reading at this point is given at 2.905. So what is this height of instrument? What is RL of HI? That RL of HI we will get here, RL of instrument axis, we'll get here by adding this reading, staff reading to RL of station Q, that is 433.050 plus 2.905. Next we will get the RL of instrument axis. So RL of instrument axis is 435.955. Now once we get the RL of this instrument axis, now we have to determine RL of this point Q. So for that we need this distance V, that is distance from the instrument axis to middle cross here. We need distance V. Okay, so here we have one simple thing, it is given, that is horizontal distance is given, that is distance, this distance is known to us, this distance is 20 meter. Okay, and we have to determine this distance. So we can use the trigonometry here, that is tan 45 is equal to opposite side this divided by hypotenuse, that is V by 20. Okay, opposite side upon adjacent side is nothing, horizontal side, that is distance D, that is it is given at 20 meter. So tan 45, we know what is the tan 45, we have to is 1, tan 45 is 1, Therefore, V is equal to 20 meter. So here we got V is equal to 20 meter. Now, just by subtracting this 20 plus 2 meter, because 2 meter is the height of point Q from this middle cross here. So, by subtracting this from the RL of instrument axis, we get the RL of point Q. So, RL of point Q is equal to what is the RL of instrument axis? It is the 435.955 minus this distance, vertical distance 20 plus this staff reading 2 meter, and it is coming nothing but 413.955 meter. This is a simple problem asked for 2 marks in the GATE 2020 exam. Let us see another numerical asked in the same exam, which is related to this tachometry of theodolite. Here it is given that theodolite is set up at station A. The RL of instrument axis is given here, and the angle of elevation to top of 4 meter long staff held vertical at station B is 7 degree. Here it is given that angle of elevation. Okay, so here we can first draw the figure. Here is our theodolite, and this is its instrument axis. Okay, and here RL of this instrument axis is given, and it is given as 212.250 meter. This RL of this instrument axis is given, and here it is given that the angle of elevation at the top of 4 meter staff held at station B. Here there is another station B, and there is a staff of length 4 meter, and reading is taken at the top of this staff. Okay, here it is given that at the top of 4 meter staff. So this angle of elevation is given as 7 degree. Okay, so this angle is given as a 7 degree angle of elevation to the top of this 4 meter staff. Okay. Then here what is asked? Again, one thing is given, the horizontal distance is given between station A and B. This horizontal distance is given between the station A and the station B. It is given as 400 meter. And here what we have to find it out? We have to find out RL of station B. RL of station B we have to find out. So here, first thing what we have to do, we have to determine this vertical distance V from instrument axis to the top of this staff. And here again we can use the trigonometry. Here horizontal distance is given. Horizontal distance is given up to this point A to B. This horizontal distance is known to us, and we have to find out this vertical distance. Again we can use trigonometry, that is tan of 7 degree. Tan of 7 degree is equal to this vertical distance opposite side upon this horizontal distance opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore, here we can determine this vertical distance V here. V is equal to, D is given here, the horizontal distance is 400 into tan of 7 degree. Okay. So here we have find it out as a 49 degree point 114 meter. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the RL of this station B. So how can we find it out? We know this RL of this instrument axis. We know RL of this point instrument axis. We know now vertical distance V. So here we can find it out. RL of B as this RL of instrument axis, that is 212.250 plus this V plus V, that is 49.114, and we have to subtract this 4 meter, that is staff length, from this point minus 4, and it comes to be 257.364 meters. Okay, this is another simple problem was asked in GATE 2020. Here what we need, we have to draw first diagram carefully. Once we draw the diagram, everything get clear, what to add and what to subtract. Here first we reach to this top of the staff, and then we come to the point B by subtracting this staff length from that point.